Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to contact seller on Temu. So basically what you're going to do here is you have to open your Temu, and then here you have to locate that specific order, or you have to go to your orders and find the item order related to the seller you want to contact. Now tap the specific order to open the order details, and then here you can contact the seller or look for the chat button. However, if you haven't purchased anything and then if you want to just ask directly or go directly to the contact seller or chat or help center, what you're going to do is you just have to click the microphone or headphone option on the upper right in Timo. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So what you're going to do is you have to tap this one right here. It will take you directly to the help center. And then here you can search for the specific topic that you want to ask, or any article or anything that you want to know about Temu. You can also scroll down here to contact to their customer service, or you can just basically tap on contact us to chat one of their agents. So all you have to do is to write your message, describe your issue. You can also attach photos if needed. Tap send and wait for a reply, usually within 24 to 48 hours. For urgent issues, you can use request a refund option. If seller doesn't respond, Temu customer support will step in. And basically, that's how easy it is to contact seller on Temu. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.